competition today is fierce and getting a job is becoming increasingly difficult. Even candidates with skills and degrees go jobless. To succeed in such a scenario, candidates require not only the right set of technical skills, but soft skills too. To address this, the government of Haryana has conceived Centres of Excellence. This is an initiative to create a skilled manforce with employability skills. A rupees 8.5 crores of CSR fund from 5 large corporates has helped give shape to the government plans.
Utilizing the CSR funds of these corporations, we are establishing centers of excellence wherein the corporates teach the students the skills which are required in the industry as on date.
The first Centre of Excellence by Maruti Suzuki India Limited at Government Polytechnic Manesar was set up in 2018. Today, Hero Motocorp Limited at Government Polytechnic Sonipat and Daffodil Softwares at Government Polytechnic Hisar are also operational. And soon, Centres of Excellence by Power Grid Corporation of India and NTPC joint venture APPCL at Government Polytechnic Ambala and Jhajjar respectively will become operational too. Haryana government is also mobilizing funds of Nandi Foundation, the CSR arm of Mahindra Group, to provide employability skill training for the students via Mahindra Pride classrooms.
गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक मानेसर कॉलेज में आने के बाद न केवल हमारी टेक्निकल स्किल्स बल्कि हमारी पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट स्किल्स भी काफ़ी इम्प्रूव हुई हैं, जिससे आगे जाके हमारी प्लेसमेंट्स में बहुत हेल्प होगी।
Meanwhile, discussions are on with other overseas corporates too for setting up more such centers.
It is going to change the skill pattern which is imparted to our trainees, our students, and even training of trainers.
Most recently, an MOC was signed with Urban Tech Sweden to set up another Centre of Excellence. The primary objective of these centres is to produce job-ready candidates. These Centres of Excellence aim to do so by providing hands-on training on varied skills such as welding, automotive servicing, CAD, CAM, robotics, best manufacturing practices, telecommunication, ERP, e-governance, business process and IT outsourcing, etc. The Department of Technical Education of Haryana is the nodal agency leading the initiative, while polytechnic or engineering institutes are the implementing agencies. 5 corporates are financially supporting this initiative, which directly benefits students, parents or guardians, prospective employers and the community at large. The initiative has followed a systematic strategy from mobilizing CSR funds from corporates to establishing centers of excellence in government institutions to roping in trained professionals for providing technical and employability skill training to students for free. To implement it, the DTE provided the physical infrastructure. Next, corporate houses covered expenses related to machinery, equipment, etc. and operating expenses. Meanwhile, the faculty was trained to impart advanced technical methodologies to students via classrooms, simulators, hands-on training and project collaborations. These costs too were covered by the corporate houses. This initiative has been hugely successful and has impacted multiple areas.
These centers of excellence, which are being developed in collaboration with reputed industries, multinational companies or overseas partners, are providing us 3 pronged benefits. One is superior quality of training, second is more competent trainers, and third is the better placement statistics.
Consequently, in a short span of time, more than 500 students at Centre of Excellence Manesar alone and over 5,500 students from 24 polytechnics have benefited from the employability skill training.
The students those are getting technical training in our Centre of Excellence has made them technically competitive.
Going forward, these outcomes have encouraged the announcement of free of cost employability skill training for final year students of polytechnic or engineering. Economies flourish when the workforce is skilled. With these investments in skill building, corporates are participating in fueling the state's growth engine. Once again, Haryana leads by example by encouraging public-private partnership.